Kanyakumari, located at the southernmost tip of India's mainland, should definitely be on your bucket list. This absolutely breathtaking destination surrounded by water on all three sides is a favorite tourist place for globetrotters. The places to visit in Kanyakumari are a combination of religious and leisure attractions, suitable for people from all walks of life. Another highlight is that this coastal town is the meeting point of three water bodies, which is a sight to behold. You can already assume the mesmerizing locations in store for you. So pack your bags for a holiday in this gorgeous southern town. Places to visit in Kanyakumari, the blessed town of the Virgin Princess. Kanyakumari is known as the land's end, and in a way it is. It marks the end of India's mainland in the south. Being one of the underrated destinations in the country, this place has a lot to offer. You can take a walk along the beaches or seek blessings at the temples. There's no dearth of places to explore here. So, let's go on a journey to all the important places to visit in Kanyakumari. 1. Kanyakumari Beach, Paradise Alert. Kanyakumari Beach or Cape Comorin Beach is one of the first places to visit in Kanyakumari because of the breathtaking views it offers. The vistas of clear blue sky and hypnotic sea would make you swoon. The highlight, however, is the confluence of three water bodies here. You can clearly distinguish the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and the Indian Ocean, as the water of these three don't mix into each other. They retain their individual characteristics, and the difference in color of all three is what creates a gorgeous sight to behold. You can't swim or surf here, since the high tides and rocky surface of the sea aren't suitable. But to watch a sunrise or sunset from here is much better than any of that. 2. Thiruvalluvar Falls, an enchanting sight. One of the most mystical and enchanting sights in Kanyakumari is the Thiruvalluvar Falls. The cascading water falling from a height of 50 meters with a mighty force makes for a spectacular view. The best part is that the water falls into a pool, where people can swim and splash around. From adults to children, everyone can enjoy this place. And the lush greenery and dense forests enhance the beauty of this place even more. It's like being amidst nature as you witness this man-made wonder. There's a Lord Shiva temple at the entrance of the waterfall, which is also quite famous. You can take a boat ride, swim in the pool, and click aesthetic pictures to remember this place by. 3. Vivekananda Rock Memorial, a spiritual haven. The reason behind this place being among the top tourist places to explore in Kanyakumari isn't one but many. Visiting this place is one of the things to do in India because it's where Swami Vivekananda attained enlightenment, where the unmarried avatar of goddess Parvati did penance for Lord Shiva. The picturesque view of the Indian Ocean behind the imposing statue of Swami Vivekananda, and other such reasons, is why this is a must-visit place. You'll come across a Sripada Mandapam, Vivekananda Mandapam, and Dhyana Mandapam that you can explore, and the third Mandapam is ideal for meditation. The serene and tranquil vibes of this place offer a breather from the city's hustle and bustle and give you a chance to spend some time introspecting. 4. Our Lady of Ransom Church, an architectural marvel. If you wish to see a place that is truly a work of art in Kanyakumari, then there's no better attraction than this church. The Gothic architecture and vibe of this place captivates you and will enamor you in the best way possible. What's unique about this place is the idol of Mother Mary in a sari. It's a rare sight to witness Mother Mary clad in sari in a church. But you get to see this in Kanyakumari. The pristine white building with gorgeous carvings and wall paintings are mesmerizing, and if you visit at night, then the whole place is illuminated with lights, which beautifies the church even more. There are 7 doors of this church to signify the 7 holy fruits. And there's a golden cross in the central tower, which is magnificent. 5. Bhagavathi Amman Temple, one of the Shakti Pithas. This temple is the most revered temple in this town, and this destination was also named after the goddess Kanyakumari. This temple is one of the 51 Shakti Pithas, which means when Lord Shiva was carrying the lifeless body of goddess Parvati, one of her body parts fell here where the temple's built. Once you lay eyes on the breathtaking idol of Devi Kanyakumari with rosary in one hand and gold jewelry on her nostrils, you'll be mesmerized. The spiritual vibes and calming feeling that you'll feel here are the reasons why people from all over the world visit this temple to seek blessings. Swami Vivekananda also visited this temple as was instructed by his guru. And it's believed that Lord Parasuraman also blessed this temple as holy. 6. Thanamalayan Temple, the Holy Trinity. Thanamalayan Temple is among the top places to visit in Kanyakumari because it's the only temple in the world with the Holy Trinity. Which means that it houses the idol of Lord Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva as a single deity. This idol is popularly known as the Sthanamalayan. There's also a 22 featuring tall Hanuman statue, which is the tallest in the world. Apart from this, there are other attractions here as well, such as the musical pillars. These 4 pillars are made of a single granite stone, towering up to 18 meters in height. Touching these pillars would make a melodious sound that would calm you down instantly. Therefore, you must visit this one-of-a-kind temple that enhances the glorious aspect of this coastal town. 7. Thiruvalluvar Statue, a tribute to the Tamil poet. This towering statue, at a height of 133 feet, is visible from afar. But its magnificence is only felt when you stand close to it. This statue is opposite the Vivekananda Rock Memorial, and it's to honor the famous Tamil poet in the world, Thiruvalluvar. Tirukkural is one of his classic Tamil texts that you might have heard of. The statue is on a 38 featuring high pedestal, which symbolizes the 38 chapters of virtue in his classic text, and the height of the statue symbolizes that text's 133 chapters. This attraction is located in the middle of the stormy sea, which makes this statue even more intimidating. You must consider this tourist spot as one of the places to visit in Kanyakumari in one day. 8. Padmanabhapuram Palace, a fine craftsmanship. The Padmanabhapuram Palace is an excellent example of craftsmanship at its finest because it offers you a glimpse of India's culture. It's also Asia's largest wooden palace, which was built using Tikusastra, an ancient science of carpentry. It's among the places to visit in India due to the architectural excellence it showcases. The murals, carvings on the floor and walls, and the antique items here all combine to make this an exquisite attraction in Kanyakumari. This palace is under the care of the Kerala government, and you'll always see a huge tourist influx here. From the entrance to the end of your exploration, you'll come across several wow factors that would make you swoon. The rich history and culture of this place would leave you spellbound. 9. Kortalam Falls, nature's wonder. Kortalam Falls would leave you mesmerized with its ferocity because this 160 meters high waterfall is a collection of several small waterfalls that combine into one and create this waterfall. Sitting by this waterfall, listening to its thundering sounds while being engulfed in verdant greenery is something right out of a movie. In fact, several South Indian movie scenes and a scene in Bollywood movie, Roha, was filmed here. It's an ideal location for spending quality time with your loved ones and to soak in the natural beauty all around you. Kortalam Falls includes 9 more waterfalls under it, however, only 3 of them are accessible, including this one. Therefore, whenever you're planning a trip to Kerala, you must go for this attraction, which is one of the places to visit in Kerala. Legend of Kortalam Falls. According to legend, during goddess Parvati and Lord Shiva's wedding, the revered sage Agastya couldn't watch the marriage due to the crowd. He prayed to Lord Shiva, and he answered his prayers and told sage Agastya to wait for him inside the Kutralam temple. When he went there, the gateway deities didn't allow him inside, since it was Lord Vishnu's abode. So, sage Agastya prayed while pressing the head of Lord Vishnu's idol, which then turned into a lingam, which is Lord Shiva's ultimate form. He then applied cow milk, green coconut and a mixture of 42 herbs on the idol's head to soothe the headache. Pleased by his devotion, Lord Shiva named the place Kutralanathar, and the fall near it were named Kortalam Falls. This tradition of pressing the idol's head still continues in this temple. 10. Triveni Sangam, confluence of three water bodies. As the name suggests, Triveni Sangam is the meeting point or the merging point of three water bodies, namely Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, and the Arabian Sea. Triveni refers to the three water bodies and Sangam is the Sanskrit word for union. This destination is considered holy by the locals and the tourists. Therefore, they take a dip in the sacred water. The picturesque view from here of the three water bodies merging and the nearby attractions, such as the Thiruvalluvar Statue and the Vivekananda Rock Memorial, are absolutely breathtaking. Such gorgeous location makes Kanyakumari a famous destination for honeymoon in India. Kanyakumari is a place that reminds you to enjoy the simple things in life. It's the calm in a storm, a breather from the everyday bustling life of ours. Therefore, the places to visit in Kanyakumari offer a respite from stress and instill a sense of tranquility in our minds. Watching the sea waves, visiting the temples, roaming around the streets, and exploring the attractions, all combine to create some of the best moments of our life. Thanks for watching.